Yeah, what are some of the tricks to stop piracy? So, I guess I can speak to the Android platform, of course. Google are putting out this licensing service, which is basically a callback to home. Now, I don't think it's a complete solution, and what they've offered up on top of that is basically a set of procedures or some design principles that Google have put in place around code obfuscation and callback to home type services that actually do that sort of thing, because their callback home service, which basically said when you launch the app, call back to Google, check if it's legitimate or not, was not enough. Basically, it was cracked within a few days, and they put out some blog statements to say, yeah, basically, do some extra things, increase the barrier that people would have in place to actually make that piracy occur. Make it not generic across the apps. What they had in place previously was just something pirates could actually do to copy all the apps, but if you do something unique per app, then that's definitely the way to go. And that's the advice we're getting from Google at the moment.
The other platforms, it really trying to achieve. I mean, from our perspective, we only build apps as a service to other people. So I guess the key to that is that when it gets duplicated, the majority of the apps that we build are free, so piracy isn't really an issue. I think it's when you're trying to, if you're EA Games or someone like that, and you're trying to build an app, then it's really important that you manage to sort of have some sort of DRM control and that sort of thing. But from our perspective, it's the old Java days. You could always obfuscate your code, so nobody could. It was like sort of making a cake. You couldn't get the ingredients back out of it again. So that's kind of how it works on other platforms. But I don't see it too much as an issue.